Since I'm a party, as you all can see, guys, today, guys, it's just a normal day, but we're just preparing our students for the test, guys. So stay tuned just to see, guys, on how we do stuff here at the driving school, the Khoro driving school. So stay tuned, like, share on YouTube, subscribe on Facebook, follow for more content, guys, for more videos, for more lessons, guys. Let's do this. As you can see, guys, he's about to come here. Poles. She's going to do the poles out here at the mall, guys. There's a Project Land Mall. This is where we located at Soweto Project Land Mall, next to McDonald's, guys. So as you can see, guys, we're pushing. There's my clients there, just sitting there waiting for their turn to arrive. Yeah, let's do this. Us. Let's get this. So as much as yeah, we can indicate you are right, guys. Indicate you are right, so that we could be able to ensure the person at the back that we turning on our right side. So yeah, she's about to get in the poles, guys. Here we pull at the poles, guys, as usual. As I told you on my last videos, that you look at the 1 in 3 pole. Look at the 1 in 3 pole. See the 1 in 3, and then after, when they become like this, you interjoin, you do your full swing on your right, and then you look at your mirror, you prepare your legs just for you. When you see the truck heading straight, you stop immediately. Then after doing that, the car will ensure you that it will get in perfectly. You put your tires straight, you do the 2.5 method, and then you get in perfectly. Nice. Otherwise. Zinto fresh. Yeah, man. Bamba kanjalo. Ay, kubeka. Kulega. As you can see, guys, here, on how she parked here, she's got to make sure that she fixes her car. And puts the tire straight. And she stops. Good. So I'm gonna let her do it one more time so that she can be sure of what she's doing. Sisters, again, one more time. So did you see our mistake, Anit? So a mistake here too. We didn't fix our car on time. So now when you have to repeat it again, you have to fix it on time so that muscle figure la popam mapali so grand. Nice. So let's do the right thing. Then to the right. Nice. Silangan. Yeah, man. Yeah. Silangan. So don't rush. Just take your time. No, let's go. Good. Nice. Then you fix it. Nope. You fix it. Not too much. Fix it. Again. Yeah. And then stop.